open the box, the first thing you'll see is the Quick Start Guide. On top of giving you helpful directions on how to set up and use your light panels, this guide also contains your pairing code, so make sure to hold on to it because you'll need it during the pairing process. The next thing you'll see is the controller, and you'll also find the pairing code on the back of here. Next, you'll find the power supply unit that you'll be using to power your panels. You'll also find your double-sided mounting tape, which is what you'll use to simply attach your panels to the wall. Next is the star of the show, the actual panels themselves. In this smarter kit, you'll find 9 triangular light panels. Now here's your rhythm module, the piece that you'll attach to your panels to allow them to react to the sound and music around them. And finally are your linkers, the small pieces that you'll use to connect each panel through the linker slots at the back of the panel. And that's what you'll find in your Nanoleaf Light Panel Rhythm Smarter Kit, and everything you'll need to get started with your new light panels.